Here we go, traders. For those of you that are in the live trading room, you've experienced First Solar today with the buy entry right here. We had it at 212 and we rolled it up and we started selling and taking profits. Now, should you buy First Solar on a day like today with a $14 breakout higher? And this is a daily chart. I can show it right here on a 15-minute chart where when we call breakouts, they're always with the breakout, the bars stack up, you pull back, you break out, you got to know how long to let the winner run. We invite you to join us in our live trading room so that you can witness and experience the entries and you can make some free money. We'll give you some free trades when you're in the free trading room, the live trading room. You can make some free money. We'll give you the entries. Then we'll give you that exit and, of course, the stop. Now, we trade options a lot, but we do invite you to show you so that we can build confidence with you. And the best way of doing that is putting on some successful trades together. We'll do them together and we'll take the profits together, and then you can open an account with us. And that would be a great thing. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Let us make you some free money. Let us take you down a great road.